Come along with us on our sunset ferry ride across the Cape Fear River aboard the Fort Fisher Ferry. The North Carolina Ferry Division runs the Southport-Fort Fisher route connecting tourists from the Southport Ferry Terminal to Fort Fisher Ferry Terminal. Each vessel can carry passengers on motorcycle, cars, trailers, or recreational vehicles. This route takes you from the historic community of Southport to Fort Fisher across the Cape Fear River. Southport has guarded the mouth of the Cape Fear River for more than 200 years. Today, it continues to be the lightkeeper of its history. While there, we enjoy the charming downtown shops and eateries. Fort Fisher is home to a historic Civil War site and a first-class aquarium, and was on our way to Wilmington, aka Hollywood East, home of hundreds of films and television productions such as Revolution, Under the Dome, and One Tree Hill. Service for most of North Carolina's 7 ferry route is free. However, fares are charged for service on this popular Southport-Fort Fisher route, costing only $7 for a car. It's the best $7 we've spent. For a spectacular view, be sure to ride the ferry at sunset time. Be sure to pay attention to the schedule and arrive early, especially during the busy summer months since reservations are not accepted. You can purchase tickets online or by calling 1-800-BUY-FERRY. Tickets are also available at each ferry terminal's ticket booth outside the terminal entrance. Enjoy the Sunset Ferry ride. You want to walk to the back of the ship? But then you can see the sunset coming back in. Oh, look, you can go through. Look, you want to the back? Look at this, how nice. Oh, they have the seating kind of. But look, they have like every other seat roped off. Yeah, you can go out through the back. Watch out for the step. Okay, thank you. We're getting back. You gotta head back to the car. I guess there it is. We'll be boarding soon. So we are in lane number 1.
That was fun. What happened?
The car nipped nipped the windshield.
Oh, you were looking for me to get on?
And look, there's more people getting on. It's fun. Ferry ride from Southport, North Carolina to Wilmington, North Carolina.
That was worth the 7. Look, RVs.
Best $7 we've spent.
A long while.
Fort Fisher State Historic, Battery, Buchanan, Civil War Museum, 15 miles. I hope you enjoyed the Sunset Ferry ride. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Now that's RVing.